Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your watch is paired and notifications are allowed. This gives the watch permission to send and receive messages. Once done, open the Messages app or tap the message complication on your watch face to begin. Make sure your phone is nearby for initial syncs, because the phone handles large attachments. Now, choose a contact or recent thread and tap Compose. This first action moves you from setup into actual message creation so you can continue. You can dictate your message by tapping the microphone, speak punctuation for clearer text, and the watch will show a preview so you can fix errors. Alternatively, use Scribble or the tiny keyboard to type short responses and insert an emoji or quick reply to add tone. If you often send the same lines, select a template or recent reply to speed things up. Make sure to review the text once more. Corrections are easier before you send, and keep your message clear. You finish by tapping Send. The watch will confirm when the message leaves or show an error if something blocks delivery. If the message fails, check your phone for cellular or Wi-Fi status and ensure the recipient isn't blocked. Once you confirm connectivity, try again. If problems persist, restart the watch and phone or toggle Bluetooth. This resets the link between devices. One key tip: if dictation mishears words, correct on your phone or redictate, using short phrases for better accuracy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.